Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Nethermind works on a code specification for EigenLayer AVS, Synthetix shares potential paths for the protocol, Safe adds EIP 1271 support, and Pimlico deploys its Paymaster on the Scroll testnet. All this and more from ETH Daily starts right now. Nethermind is working with EigenLayer to build a node software specification for actively validated services, or AVS, and a CLI tool for the restaking protocol. The specification will cover installation, software updates, and metrics collection. Nethermind aims to offer a seamless experience for node operators via a single specification. The CLI tool will automate interactions with actively validated services and aims to provide backup and backward compatibility support. EigenLayer will launch a testnet for actively validated services in the last phase of its three-phase protocol launch. EigenLayer is a restaking protocol that allows stakers to secure other networks with their staked Ether. Synthetix founder Kane Warwick outlined 12 potential proposals for the next phase of Synthetix. The proposals include quarterly core contributor bonuses, escrowed SNX for trading incentives, and eventually distributing SNX to stakers. Kane also suggests creating a passive staking pool to attract new users. Kane aims to implement integrator incentives and an SNX buyback and burn initiative. Kane also mentions the need for a support team to assist integrators, which could be operated through independent working groups. Lastly, Kane proposes an ecosystem fund, a referral program, and winding down the Synthetix Treasury Council. Safe now supports EIP 1271, a standard for signature verification with smart contract accounts. Users can execute off-chain signatures in applications using EIP 1271. Removing the need for on-chain signatures and associated network fees. On-chain signatures are still required for applications without EIP 1271 support. Off-chain messages are usually signed with a wallet's private key. However, EIP 1271 is required to support off-chain signatures on contract wallets which don't have private keys. Support for EIP 1271 is available on version 1.10.0 of the Safe web app. Safe is the largest smart contract wallet provider with over 2.5 million deployed accounts. And lastly, Pimlico deployed its paymasters and bundlers on the Scroll Alpha testnet, allowing developers to use its ERC20 paymaster for token gas payments in ERC4337 wallets. Scroll is an EVM equivalent ZK rollup aiming for Solidity bytecode level compatibility. It plans to transition to a Type 2 ZK EVM to facilitate seamless onboarding for existing dApps. Scroll is currently in an alpha testnet phase and aims to launch to mainnet later this year. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from ETH Daily. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.